What was one of the earlier songs? Was it the Alkaline and Spice? Were you guys recorded after that song? After
Say
that
again?
video? The
Yeah, man.
Alkaline and Spice. That
Yeah, man.
was
We
the
record that. Yeah, man. We recorded that song like in maybe like April, May of 2014. Spice was one of the first boss artists we give a strength with alcohol.
Mhm.
After,
how did that come together?
you know, I one of her dancers used to their own. Leave it right there, so. So that was how melody. I used to work in a clothes store, in a Spice clothes store. So we just leverage, the proximity and
Mhm.
make it happen.
And she was happy to do the project at that
Yeah,
time, or
man.
you had
Yeah,
to
man.
convince her?
Yeah, man. No, we never have to convince her. I want to tell her, say, boy, I still remember those, like Spice. She come in the studio, she spent a long, she learned her part because Alkaline, they write the whole song. She
Oh,
learned
he
her
wrote
part.
the whole song.
Yeah, man, he write the whole song. She learn her part, she voice it, she come to every single interview what we do on an early morning radio. Yeah, man, she show up at 5 o'clock and come at the radio interview them 6 o'clock. Me have to tell her Spice, big up. That's what I say. Yeah, man, she really give you a strength.
How come you guys didn't film a music video for that song?
We never have no money. Fuck, we didn't have any money. Come in, mama, Beenie Man. Listen, I'm me did I finance all of the projects.
Mhm.
Yeah, man. So if Beenie Man, if me never work with Beenie Man, me not have no money. Anytime I go up on tour, make a money with Beenie Man, me come back and spend it in the Alkaline career. That's it.
Yeah.
All of that year, Beenie Man money boss Alkaline. and what me could have sell, cause me start sell out my keyboards and my whatnot.
Mhm.
Yeah, man.
Why did you have so much confidence that this thing is gonna work?
But I felt it.
Mhm.
Yeah, man, me they just feel it. I mean, they believe. I genuinely believe.
Mhm.
Yeah, man.
But what was it in particular that made you say, "Yo, this thing's gonna work"? And you've never walked this road before, so you don't. What is it that you know?
I am extremely me passionate and as you can see, me run away from here, come my country, go and sleep on the floor, see you guys, just set myself go to school. So me passionate and me come from nothing.
Mhm.
As me used to trap cane as a youth. Yeah, so me used to sell Guinea and Negril, walk up and down the sun hat. So me come from nothing. So to come to Kingston and tour the world, and these are things that not supposed to happen, not with my profile. You see what I say? And when I saw when just to see Alkaline had the same passion in him, cause I know him to that boss. I no meet people where match me with passion and energy. You see what I say? So me meet a you like we were on the phone every day. Like we did obsess. You see what I mean? There was no day off this I go work. You understand? So when me meet if me so passionate and me, I go always get the things that I want. Unless life said no. And him passionate the same way, and there's no way it wouldn't work. No way. Yeah, man, I the belief, man. It was a insatiable appetite for success, man. On a different level. We used to sit down and watch one YouTube video named The Secret. I don't know if you ever watched that. Yeah,
Of
man, we used to
course, of course,
yeah,
you
man,
watch
we
it.
brainwash yourself, man, into success. Yeah, man.
Mhm.
It's deep.
Yeah. No, because you could tell that clearly there has to be something. Because again, when you're just casually listening or passing by, okay, it's cool. But once you really start to look into things, you can see, okay, clearly there was something really special here.
The industry will never forget it.
Mhm.
Never. Yeah.
100% agree. 100% agree with that. So,
He
okay,
will
you
never
guys,
he will never forget it.
mhm,
Never.
that's nothing you could
He
forget
can't
because,
outlive no, he can't outlive it. No matter how rich and successful he get and all him get. He knew that whatever we did was just the moment in a history.
mhm.
Yeah.
Even if it's shared amongst 3 or 4 people, we're the only ones that know this.
Yeah.
We all know the truth of this is how this started right
Yeah,
here.
that's why sometimes when me talk, I'm not talking to his fans. I talk to him. Cause him know.
Mhm.
Me not care about what people think. Him know.
Mhm.
He knows.
Got it. How did that song, the Spice and Alkaline do? The only thing we want. How did that song do for him at that point there?
I think it just brought more eyes, curiosity, cause it never really bust him. Just curious. Most of the stuff we did that year was more people like, all right, embody no. All right, not too bad. We'll go and watch him. It just it Spice putting us on her platform was just more people like, all right, me see me hear him, me go and watch him. They were just him did boss already, but them did I wait for the right song. And that's why when the right song they drop, it was so easy. Once
Because the
1, 2, 3
rumbling
drop,
was happening.
yeah. 1, 2, 3 once 1, 2, 3 drop, it was just the people them like, see there? This is how we have here.
Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.